Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice exponential problem. A to the power n is equal to 320. We have to find the value of n. Let's start our solution. A to the power n is equal to 320. It is our problem. Now if we are going to take log on both hand side, so here log a to the power n is equal to log 320. Here on left hand side we can apply the logarithm law, as we know that log a to the power m is equal to m log a. So here it will be shifting this n, so n log 8 is equal to, here we have log 320, so log 320 is same as 8 times 40. Now if we divide log 8 on both hand side, then we have n log 8 over log 8 is equal to log 8 times 40 over log 8. Now here we see that this log 8 is cancelled out with log 8. We get n, which is equal to, now here log 8 times 40 or log 8 times 40 all over log 8. Now applying this law here, if we have log a times b, then it is equal to log a plus log b. So here n is equal to log 8 plus log 40 all over log 8. Next, n is equal to log 8. We can write this denominator separately with each term. Then here we have log 8 plus log 40 over log 8. Now n is equal to, this log 8 is cancelled out with log 8, we get 1. So 1 plus this log 40 can be written as 8 times 5 is equal to 40 all over log 8. Now n is equal to 1 plus, here we are going to use logarithm law, which is log 8 plus log 5 all over log 8. Now n is equal to 1 plus, writing this denominator separately with each term, then we have log 8 over log 8 and plus log 5 over log 8. Here n is equal to 1 plus this log 8 is cancelled with log 8, we get 1 plus, here we have log 5 over log 8, log 5 over log 8. Now this log 8 can be written as 2 cubed, which is equal to 8. Our next step will be, now n is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 5 over, applying logarithm law here, then we will get 3 log 2, shifting this 3 here, so we get 3 log 2. Now n is equal to 2 plus, we can write 1 over 3 times log 5 over log 2. Now n is equal to 2 plus 1 over 3 times, Here we can use logarithm law, that is log A over log B is equal to log A to base B. So it will be log 5 to base 2. Now n is equal to, if we just take 3 is least common multiple, so here 3 times 2 is 6 plus log 5 to base 2. So it is our value of n. Now we are going to just find this value, that it is valid or not. So let's check our problem. For verification, we have to just recall our problem, that is a to the power n is equal to 320, where n is equal to 6 plus log 5 to base 2 all over 3 is it equal to 320. Now 8 can be written as, this 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3 times 6 plus log 5 to base 2 all over 3 is it equal to 320. Now this 3 is cancelled out with 3. We get 2 to the power 6 plus log 5 to base 2 is it equal to 320. So 2 to the power 6 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2 and times 2. So here we have, there's 2 to the power 6 and times, it can be written as 2 to the power log 5 to base 2 is it equal to 320. Here we have used exponential law, as we know that if we have a to the power m plus n, it is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So this law here we have used. Now 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16 times 2 is 32 and times 2 is 64. So times, here we can use logarithm law, as we have a to the power log b to base a is equal to b. So applying here, then we will get here 5 is the value of b is it equal to 320. Now 5 times 64 is 5 times 4 is 20, 0 2 carry here, 6 times 5 is 30 plus 2 is 32 is equal to 320. So here we see that our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So value of n is valid, 6 plus log 5 to base 2 all over 3. It is our final answer. Now here we can check our entire solution step by step. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.